Hello guys, welcome to Gaurav's Art and Cup World. I'm Gaurav and today I'm going to show you a beautiful Lord Shiva clay mural painting. At first I'm going to take a canvas board where you can see that I have already made the outlines of this painting. Now take a dough of clay and cover the face with the help of Fevicol or any other glue. Using water to make it smooth. Now I'm preparing the places for eyes, nose and lips by simply pressing my fingers into the clay in this way. To make his eyes, we just have to prepare two small drop shapes and then stick them on the right places. Using modeling tool to fix the shape of his eyes. Now make his eyebrows in this way. Please concentrate while making the face part. Make his nose in the following manner. To make his lips, again we have to prepare a drop shape. Now again using a modeling tool to give it a perfect shape. Now make his ornaments in the following manner. Just take a small dough of clay and roll the clay in this way. Now making his ears. Now this will be his earrings. For small detailing works, here I have used some modeling tools, an empty pen and some other materials. I'll give the list of the materials in the description box. Now this will be his third eye. After completing this, start making his hair. Creating some lines by using a modeling tool to make it realistic. Now, in the same way, we have to complete the whole hair part. Make sure that we have to form the lines in a well mannered so that it can give us a realistic effect. Let me tell you one thing, whenever you're going to apply clay on the canvas, please apply a little bit glue first before applying clay. After completing this, we are going to start making the snake. At first, take a dough of clay and roll the clay in this way to make his head part. Now stick it on the canvas and press it by your fingers in this way. Again using water to make it smooth. Please concentrate while making the snake's head. Now in the same way, again take a dough of clay and roll the clay in this way to make the rest of the part of the snake's body. Now create some small detailings to make it realistic. The texture of the skin is very important. After finishing this, we have to complete the rest of the hair part. So guys, our clay work has completed. Now we have to leave it for a few hours to let it completely dry. In the next video, I'm going to color this painting. So guys, keep watching. Thank you so much and don't forget to subscribe.